Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to unblock someone on Telegram. So to do this, it's very simple. You should go to Telegram and after that go to settings, and after that go to privacy and security and go to the first option, blocked users, and you will find all the blocked users here. You have just to click on the blocked user, and after that click on the three dots, the more option. And as you can see, there is no option here to unblock that user. So we should go back and click on edit. And as you can see here, there is that red circle. You have just to click on it, and after that click on block. And like that, you unblocked that user. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.